Rebuilding yourself does not need announcements, explanations, or validation. Real transformation happens quietly, away from noise and attention. Silence is where clarity grows. When you stop talking about plans, you start listening to your actions and understanding your weakness. Strongest changes happen in private when no one is watching or judging your progress. Do not rush to prove anything to anyone. People notice results, not intentions, and silence protect focus from unnecessary opinions. When you work in silence, distractions fade, comparison vanish, and energy stays directed toward growth instead of approval. Rebuilding yourself means facing uncomfortable truths, correcting habits, and choosing discipline over comfort. Even when motivation disappears, silence teaches patience. Progress takes time, and rushing only creates pressure instead of results. Stop explaining your struggles or plans. Start showing consistency through daily action. Efforts speak louder than words. Rebuilding requires strengthening your mind through knowledge, reflection, and the learning so you can see life clearly instead of reacting emotionally. Work on your body, discipline, habits, and sharpen thinking. True rebuilding happens when mind, body, and behavior align. Do not let external noise or opinions interfere. Transformation requires focus, not distraction. Silence is not weakness, it is strategy. Move quietly so no one knows your next step until it is done. Every day you choose discipline over excuses, patience over impulse. You rebuild yourself piece by piece. One day people will notice your change, but by then you won't need their validation. Rebuild quietly, stay disciplined, protect your peace, and let your results make the noise. Thank you.